Hindi lamang ang 3-0 na kartada ng PLDT ang nagpapangiti kay Savvy Davison, kundi ang pagsabog ng kanyang mga kakampi sa court para sa Phil-Am Spiker. Hindi na swerte ang pinapamalas ni Alea Malalungan dahil bunga ito ng matinding trabaho noong off-season. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa eksklusibong pag-abante ni Jason Gusilatar.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Napanatili ng PLDT high-speed hitters ang kanilang dominasyon sa PVL All-Filipino Conference matapos payukuin ang Akari Power Chargers sa loob ng 4 na set, 25-22, 25-27, 25-21 at 25-14 nitong Huwebes sa Playtime Philall Center. Pinangunahan ni Filipino-American spiker Savvy Davison ang opensa ng high-speed hitters matapos magrehistro ng 18 points habang naging katuwang niya sa depensa ang player of the game na si Kath Arado na humakot ng 26 excellent digs at 10 receptions. Dahil sa panalo, abante na ang PLDT sa 3-0 record upang manatili sa tuktok ng standings. Bagamat maaga ang ratsada, nananatiling nakatapak sa lupa si Davison sa kabila ng kanilang winning streak.
I'm glad that we were able to stick together. It always didn't go like our way. They played well. But I'm glad that we were able to finish the game.
Aminado rin ang pambato ng PLDT na hindi sila nagmamadali at nakatutok lang sa bawat hamon na dumarating sa kanila sa bawat playdate.
I mean, we take it game by game, so it's nice that things are adding up in the win column. But you know, after today, it's like the next one. What's the next game, right? So, you know, we'll take it day by day and game by game, team by team, and then hopefully by the end of the conference, we'll be top 4, top 3, wherever we need to be.
Isa sa mga naging susi sa tagumpay ng koponan ay ang magandang ipinakita ni Alea Malaluan na nag-ambag ng 10 puntos. Ayon kay Davison, hindi na siya nagulat sa ipinamalas ng kanyang kakampi dahil sa sipag nito noong off-season bilang rookie.
Well, she's always been a great player. She was with the last for a while, and that's why we would play with her. And then she's kind of just fitting into our system. Sometimes we need Jove in the back row. She's really good defensively. But, you know, when Alea gets called up to play, she does a really good job. So I'm just, you know, it's nothing surprising. It's just her doing her job, and I'm glad that she's able to express that.
Susunod na makakaharap ng PLDT ang Signal HD Spikers, isang kupunan na itinuturing nilang mahigpit na karibal at kailangan ng matinding paghahanda, lalo't galing din ang mga ito sa training mula Japan.
But, you know, there is a rivalry, medyo. So, sana we come out with that.
Ako si Jason Gusilator, Abante Sports, nauna.